like it gets. Oh! He took it away. Those must be hungry.
They must be hungry, you're right. You're funny.
They must be hungry.
See anything good there, Mama?
Oh, sure. Are you okay with fish?
Yeah. Yeah, seafood sounds good. Hey, Jack, turn to the camera and smile. Ah!
Jack, do you want fish sticks or chicken fingers for lunch?
Oh, fish sticks.
Okay, we're gonna have fish sticks.
Are you feeding those birds and they'll fish?
Do you want a smoothie too? Strawberry smoothie and some fish sticks? How about that?
Oh, just one more.
He's getting to be very popular around here with these birds, huh? All right, everybody say cheese. I'm going to turn the camera off. Ready?